So last class we were learning about our country India, and we learned about the Indian flag. The three colors of the Indian flag are saffron, white and green with the blue colored Ashoka Chakra in the center. So saffron, white and green with the blue colored Ashoka Chakra in the center. So that is the Ashoka Chakra, and we learned that the Ashoka Chakra has 24 spikes. We also learned that on top it is not orange but it is saffron, and we learned that orange and saffron are two different colors. All right, we also learned that each color has a meaning. Now in today's class we are going to learn about the Indian emblems, okay, national emblems or national symbols. Okay, so first we are going to learn about the national emblem. So national symbols are nothing but those which represent India. Okay, so first we look at the national emblem. So this is a national emblem of India. Okay, so national emblem of India is this. So we have lions. There are few animals on the national emblem. So there are lions on the top, there is a horse and a bull at the bottom, and there is also an elephant on the other side. So just behind this white lion there is another lion. So there are 4 lions, 1 horse, a bull and an elephant, and the Ashoka Chakra also on the national emblem of India. And there is something written at the bottom which reads Satyameva Jayate. Okay, so Satyameva Jayate means truth alone triumphs. That means whatever you say, only the truth will always win. Okay, so that is the national emblem of India. Okay, so ma'am is going to show you a video of the national emblem. Okay, so you will understand what it is. So ma'am is going to show you a video of the national emblem. Okay, then you will understand. So that is the national emblem of India. Okay, so on the top we can see the 4 lions. Okay, so 1, 2, and there are 2 lions on the other side. So there are 2 lions and the 4 lions, and you can see there are 4 animals at the bottom also. So there are 4 lions on the top and there are 4 animals at the bottom. So let us see what are the 4 animals at the bottom. So you can see the elephant here, that is the elephant. Then you have the bull, okay, and then you have the horse, and there is another lion. So there are 4 lions on top, and then there is elephant, horse, bull and another lion at the bottom. And you can see an Ashoka Chakra between each animal. Okay. So that was a national emblem, and below the national emblem is written Satyameva Jayate, which means truth alone triumphs. So whatever lies or anything is said, only the truth will always win. Okay. Now the next national symbol of India is the national fruit. National fruit. So the national fruit of India is mango. Okay, mango is the national fruit of India. Mango. Okay, so the national fruit of India is mango. Next is the national river. The national river of India is Ganga. So there are a lot of rivers in India, and the national river of India which represents India is Ganga. Ganga is also the longest river in India. Okay, we have learned long and short. So Ganga is the longest river in India. Okay, so the national fruit of India is mango. National river of India is Ganga. So you can see river Ganga here. So you can see how long it is. It is passing through a lot of places. Okay, so that is the river Ganga. It is the longest river in India. So those were the three national symbols we learned today: the national emblem, the national fruit, and the national river. There are a lot more of the national symbols which we'll learn in the coming years. Thank you.